Where are you in your additive manufacturing journey and what do you want to do? I ask rhetorically because whatever your current state and plans, Rapid Plus TCT 2022 will provide the information and insights you are looking for. Whether you're evaluating, adopting, or optimizing AM solutions, Rapid Plus TCT will help you take it to the next level of what is possible. I'm Todd Grimm, an additive manufacturing consultant and event advisor for Rapid Plus TCT. And let me tell you, I will be there, and I hope you'll join me. Let me offer a bit of advice. With a packed schedule, more than what any individual could conquer, I suggest you plan on being in Detroit, Michigan for the entire event, which runs May 17th, 18th, and 19th. Over those 3 days, you will have access to a show floor with over 400 exhibitors, both established companies and those that are just stepping out of stealth mode to be in the public eye. And you'll walk through the entire AM landscape, from hardware and materials to software and services. And that show floor has exhibitors that have already listed 162 new products and services in advance of the event. And there will be more, guaranteed. By the way, I'll be releasing a pre-event video through SME that covers the product announcements that have caught my eye, both to get you excited for the event and to help you plan where to spend your time. And I'll be taking the main stage daily before the keynote presentations to offer a recap of what I discovered at Rapid Plus TCT. So what else is on tap? How about hundreds of leaders and experts sharing from the stage? For all, we have keynotes and thought leadership panels from the main stage. We also have discussions of evolving trends and topics critical to AM's future in the SME zone. For those that want the full conference experience, you can purchase access to conference sessions, which includes over 130 technical presentations and workshops on metal casting, how to build a business case, and metrology plus 3D scanning. To round out the event, Rapid Plus TCT will offer mingling and networking activities, including the AM Industry Celebration, presented by SME along with TCT, America Makes, Additive Manufacturing Users Group, and Women in 3D Printing. The goal? To be the largest gathering of AM professionals, enthusiasts, and trailblazers. On Wednesday, we'll have a block party where you can roam the show floor while you're enjoying the company of other AM professionals. And for a final opportunity to connect, a closing social Thursday afternoon. There is something for everyone that's traveling the path of additive manufacturing, so I hope you'll join me at Rapid Plus TCT 2022. Again, the dates are May 17th to 19th. The location is Detroit, Michigan. For details and registration, visit rapid3devent.com. Join me there and let's take it to the next level.